We are here, everyone, back on the mighty Red River of the North. My name's John. I'm a cat fisherman based out of North Dakota, and today we're going to be trying for some walleye and catfish. The water temps are still pretty low here, so we'll see what happens with the catfish. We may or may not get one, but you don't know unless you try. So we're going to throw out some cut bait and some crawlers and see what happens. Thanks for watching, everyone. So this right here is pretty much your standard catfish rig that we use here on the Red River. Right now I got a 4-ounce sinker, a couple beads to protect my knot to that swivel. I got a snap swivel. Then I got some heavy fluoro, about 25 pounds, and a chunk of cut bait on a snelled circle hook here. Goldeye is a pretty common cut bait we use up here. It's really easy to catch and plentiful, so that's usually what I use. You just catch it on a night crawler and a bobber usually. We're gonna throw that out there. Here's the other rig I'm going to throw out. It's a little floating jig, and on there is a stinger hook, and I just hooked that through the crawler on both sides, and it is a really nice presentation. That extra hook really helps out with some of those finicky walleye bites. I'm just going to throw that out in some of this slack water over here. And we're fishing, guys. We are fishing. Uh-oh, guys, we got our first taker on the cut bait. It feels like a good catfish. Let's reel this worm in. First good catfish of the year? Already? Early April? Did he drop it? Oh, he dropped it. Dang it. How did that circle hook not stay pinned? Dang it. Oh, that was a good fish too. Dang it. There's a fish on here. Feels like another micro channel cat. Maybe it's a walleye. This might be a walleye. It's digging like a walleye. Oh yeah, it's a really nice walleye. Really nice walleye. Not huge, but I mean, that's a solid walleye. Check that out. That's a good... Oh, we got a catfish on too, guys. If that ain't a good double. That ain't a state record catfish, but he's getting us on the board. That's a decent little guy. Oh, check this out, guys. Nice little catfish. Look at this walleye though, guys. That's a nice looking fish. I'm gonna keep that one, I think. Awesome. Nice catfish and a nice walleye. What a great day on the river, huh? I don't know about you guys, but I am pretty satisfied with that. A nice 19-inch walleye or so and a nice little catfish double right off Ripski. I like it. I like it a lot. There's something going on with the cut bait. Yep. So you got it? Can't tell if he has it. Got to be patient with them this time of year. Make sure they got it in their mouth before you do anything with that rod. Sometimes they'll just sit there and hold it in their mouth too, and you won't even know they're on the hook. And they'll slowly, like I think he has it right now. He's just sitting there with it in its mouth. I bet you if I pull back on there, there'll be a fish. Yep. Yep, there it was. I told you. And it's a good one. He's fighting pretty good. Oh, not too bad. Another little one. I thought he was bigger than that, but he's not. You were quite deceiving in the current, sir. I just haven't caught catfish in a while, so they always feel like a big fish compared to perch and stuff. There he is. Not a giant. Good fighter, though. There's a fish. That feels like a goldeye. Indeed it is. I was looking for a couple of them. Nice. We got more bait, guys. Fresh bait. Oh, we're hooked up. Got us another fish on the cut bait. That took a long time. Decided to throw it out in the heavier current, and I guess we found an active fish hanging out. See if there's any size to this one. It's a jumping catfish. Usually if they're jumping like a bass, they're not giant. I think it is the biggest one of the day though. Nice, not bad. Nice little channel cat. I'll take him. Let him go. See you later, bud. I think there's a... I think there's a big fish on this cut bait. There we go, guys. There's an actual good catfish. Oh, that front cam's dead. That's all right. Yeah, it's a good one. First big one of the season, guys. Man, I miss fighting these fish. Just never gets old. Season after season after season, there's just nothing that compares. Nice, that's a good one. I got walleyes and goldeyes in this net, but there's gonna be a catfish in here soon too. Nice, got him. Awesome, we got him, guys. Alrighty, guys, check this out. Let's see if I can get a hold of this sucker. First big cat of the year for me. Big ol' Red River Channel, check that out. Isn't that awesome, guys? First one of the year, nice. Man, I'm so happy. That's a solid fish to start the year out. Check that out. Awesome. We're gonna let him go here. One last look. See you later, buddy. And he's off. Yes. Gonna freshen up that bait. See if we can't maybe get one more. 2 or 3 or 4 more, I don't care. Something picked up my jig, guys. Hopefully it's another goldeye. What is that? Oh, it's old Drum Bud. Drum Bud made an appearance, guys. He is here. He is back. What is up, my friend, my old friend? Yes, the drum. There he is, and there he goes. Goodbye, my friend. We found a fish, guys. Man, I've been waiting on him today. It's just been taking forever to get bites. Probably call her after this one just because I gotta go get the kids from school. See what we got here, though. Certainly feels like a very good fish. I do have one more goldeye, though. It's hard to call it when you have one more goldeye left, guys. And I'm floating away. That's an issue. I got a big fish on. That's tangled. That's great. Oh. Go kayak fishing, they said. It's fun, they said. Floating away downstream with a big catfish on. Oh, guys. You know, I didn't even realize what I'm wearing today, too. I'm wearing freaking maroon plaid pants and a plaid button-up shirt. I look like a freaking TV host from the 70s. Oh, what a conundrum, guys. We're gonna catch this fish, so I promise you that. He's still on. He is still on. Oh boy, he's pulling me back. You're coming with me. It's like I'm walking a dog. What a conundrum. Come on. Come here. Whew, land ho. All right, let's catch this fish now. If he's still there. He is. Thanks for chilling and just taking that break with me there, Catfish. Oh yeah, another good one. There, we got him. Check that one out, guys. Not bad, huh? Decent little channel cat. I'll take those all day. Ow, it's biting me. Let's get him back here. Well, that was fun. There she goes. Awesome.